There's Brad and the wind shark. Woohoo! Garrett and his family in the Olsen 20, or Olsen 30. Ed and Ninja Crew on megahertz. Micah on the J24. Larry on his Lancer 28. Ruben, San Juan 24. And Joe in his classic North Sea 26. Cruising along. Yeah, buddy.
Can you dub in something good when I start cussing?
Voice. Oh yeah. That's a true pirate way.
Yeah. Except when you're yelling at your wife or kids. It's not quite as
Salty.
It's pretty piratey, but
Arr! Come on, scurvy scoundrel, hoist the sail!
I don't think I say that.
3 minutes. I still don't know if I'm gonna get to the start line. I think I should have scrubbed the bottoms.
Hey, I should scrub the rudder.
Yeah. Here's Brad and I going backwards, sailing forwards. It's awesome. Everybody's really close. And we just have a little bit of wind. It's okay.
Hey, Larry Fox here, past Commodore, definitely past his prime. Welcome to Wednesday Night Sailing, July 29th, and here's a boat passing us. There's Garrett in hot pursuit of the Truant, and behind Garrett, we've got the rest of the fleet, all spread out. How did the Truant get in first place? Judicious use of the engine. All right, we had a little wind for a while. Oh, by the way, welcome to Wednesday night, July 29th. Oh, the Mockery passes us to leeward at breakneck speed. All right, we're about to get a shot of the lead boat. Here he is, Ed Madsen and megahertz. Here comes Obsession on our lee side, heading right up the bay, making the best of very light air.
Ahoy, skipper.
Ahoy!
How are you doing?
We're doing awesome. You're going to be a star in our videos.
Oh, no.
Obsession cuts up the bay in light air. Looking good. Okay, we have rounded mark 19, which Kurt called as the only mark of the race. Here comes our Commodore Bridge in his Benetau. And then behind him is the rest of the fleet that's decided to go on to mark number 3 for some reason. So they're trying to stem the tide. Really pretty much impossible. Get their spinnakers out, going backwards essentially, but maybe making some progress. Beautiful evening. Great for flying drones. Not a lot of wind.
All right, well, it's been a bit of a slow race, and we have done very poorly. Actually, I think we're in last, but it's all right. Ed has already rounded the entire course, and we have yet to make the first mark, number 19. That's okay though. It's actually quite a nice day. There's just a whisper of a breeze, and we are creeping along against a strong incoming tide. So, it is what it is. Although Micah was, I think, ahead for quite a while, and then Ed passed him with a spinnaker. He's so good with that spinnaker. Trying to make it to mark number 3, which is way over here. The current, there's a little bit of breeze. are still in dead last. Brad's still racing. Garrett's still racing. Mike is still racing. The holder 20 decided to stop and just head back. And Ed is, Ed's back home already. It's alright though. We're getting there. Oh, it's brutal. No wind. Do you guys hear that bird? I don't know what that bird is. But it sounds like the Chewbacca bird. Like on the new Star Wars. Seriously, Chewbacca. And the little chicken things on the island. Am I wrong?